Have you ever felt like AI answers but does not really understand you? That is where context engineering comes in, and when AI remembers what matters, that is memory. In this episode of Prompt Engineering for Developers, we will break down both in simple way. So stay with me because this can change how you build better AI prompts. Welcome back to my digital diaries. This is episode 11 of Prompt Engineering for Developers, and today we are going to talk about context engineering and memory. Let's get started. Have you ever copied a prompt from the internet, pasted it into ChatGPT, and still got a terrible answer? Or maybe you thought, I just need a better prompt. But what if I told you that's the biggest difference between a beginner and an AI expert? It's not the prompt, it's the context. Today I will show you why context matters more than prompts and how it becomes the real intelligence layer behind every great AI response. So, what is context in AI? It's a simple question. Let's start with that. What exactly is a context? Many people think context is just a conversation history, but context is much bigger than that. Yes, conversation history is a context. Everything you have already discussed with the AI becomes a part of its understanding. But context also includes your intent. What are you actually trying to achieve? A tutorial, a code review, a business proposal. The same prompt can generate completely different answers depending on the intent. Uploaded files are context too. PDFs, documents, screenshots, requirements, design. This provides information the AI can use while generating answers. System instructions are another important layer. They tell the AI how it should behave. For example, act as a senior architect or explain everything in simple English. Then comes memory. Memory helps AI remember important details across interaction. Instead of starting from zero every time, it can build upon previous knowledge. The current task itself becomes context. Creating code, writing, documentation, design, architecture. Each task influences the answer. Tool output are context too. Search results, database queries, API response. External information can enrich the AI's understanding. We also have constraint, budget limitation, technology choices, performance requirement, security rule. All of these guides the response. Domain knowledge matters as well. Healthcare, finance, e-commerce, Sitecore, Optimizely. Every domain has its own language and requirement. And finally, examples. Showing AI what a good output looks like often produces better results than giving lengthy instructions. So, in simple words, context is everything the AI knows right now while generating the answer. The richer the context, the smarter the response. Now let's answer the big question. Why does context matter more than prompts? There is a popular myth in AI, magical prompts make AI smart. Sound exciting, right? But it's not true. The reality is very different. AI performance depends on four things: relevant context, correct information, clear constraint, and conversation continuity, not secret prompt. Let's look at an example. Imagine your prompt is write production ready code. Sound like a good prompt, right? But what context did you provide it? No project structure, no framework, no coding standard, no API details. The AI forced to guess, and the result, when AI guesses, you often get a generic output, a possible hallucination, and sometimes even the wrong architecture. Think about your own experience. How many times has AI given you code that looked correct but didn't actually fit your project. Now let's change only one thing, the context. This time the AI knows the existing code base, technology stack, the API schema, the folder structure, and coding conventions. And now the prompt is surprisingly simple. Create auth middleware. Notice what will happen. The prompt becomes smaller, but the result becomes better. You get accurate output, consistent code, and production ready implementation. This is the shift happening in modern AI development. We are moving from prompt engineering to context engineering. The question is no longer how can I write a clever prompt. The better question is how can I provide the right context. Remember this simple formula. Prompt tells AI what to do. Context tells AI how to do it correctly. And when context is strong, even simple prompts can produce exceptional results. Now let's quickly see the difference between prompt engineering versus context engineering. Let's start with a simple question. What exactly is context engineering? Context engineering is a process of selecting, organizing, filtering, and injecting the right information into AI. It doesn't just create a prompt, it shapes the entire information environment that the AI used to think. And that's why many AI experts believe context engineering is becoming more important than prompt engineering. Now let's understand where this information comes from. Everything the AI can see at a given moment is called context. First, system instructions. This defines how the AI should behave. Then the chat history, previous conversation provide continuity. The third is current prompt. This tells the AI that what task to perform right now. And finally, external documents, knowledge bases, PDFs, companies' data, and retrieve information through RAG. One important thing to remember, the context is measured in tokens. Think of tokens as a small chunk of text. The larger the context window, the more information AI can process. But context windows are not unlimited. When the limit is exceeded, problem begins. Older message may get removed, important information can be lost, and the quality of answers starts to degrade. Even notice AI suddenly forgetting something you mentioned earlier. That's often a context window problem. Let's compare the two approaches, prompt engineering and context engineering. Prompt engineering focuses on wording, writing better instructions, creating one-shot prompts, optimizing how you ask questions, and solving immediate problems. Context engineering takes a different approach. It focuses on information, building the complete AI environment, maintaining memory and state, providing everything the AI should know, and enabling long-term intelligence. Here is the big takeaway. Context engineering is not about giving AI a better question. It's about giving AI a better knowledge. And remember this simple rule. Prompts tell AI what to do. Context tell AI what to know. When both work together, AI becomes dramatically more useful, accurate, and reliable. As AI applications become more advanced, context engineering is quickly becoming a must-have skill set for developers. Have you ever wondered how does ChatGPT remember what we talked about earlier? Does AI actually have a memory like humans, or is it just pretending to remember? The answer might surprise you because most AI models don't really remember anything by default. Let's uncover how AI memory actually works. Let's start with the important truth. AI has no real memory by default. Unlike humans, it doesn't store every conversation forever. Instead, for every new response, AI reprocesses the available conversation context again. So, what happens when you send a message? Let's follow the process. First, previous messages are collected. Next, the system instructions are added. Third, if memory features are available, relevant memories are injected into the context. Both uploaded files, search results and tool outputs may also be included. All this information is combined into a single context package. And then the AI generates its next response based only on that context. Here is a simple way to understand it. Imagine AI gets a fresh notebook for every turn in the conversation. The notebook contains recent conversations history, important instructions, and any information provided for that specific interaction. AI reads only what is written in that notebook, and then it creates a response. And once the response is generated, that temporary notebook is disappeared. So if something isn't written in the notebook, can AI remember it? Usually no. So what is AI memory? Let's define AI memory. AI memory refers to mechanisms that help AI retain or retrieve information across interaction. In simple words, memory helps AI remember what matters instead of starting from zero every time. First, let's look at a short-term memory. Short-term memory is temporary. It lives inside the context window. It includes the current conversation, files uploaded during the chat, and recent instruction you have given. This type of a memory helps AI stay relevant during an active conversation. Then we have a session memory and the persistent memory. Session memory exists only for the current chat session. It is temporary. Persistent memory is long term and it can work across multiple sessions. It is temporary, so it works only within the active conversation, and it is usually lost when session ends. Instead of living inside the context window, it is stored externally. So when needed, relevant information is retrieved using techniques such as a RAG, retrieval augmented generation. The session memory is fast changing information and ongoing discussion, whereas persistent memory allows AI system to remember stable information and provide more personalized response over time. So here is the key takeaway. AI doesn't remember like humans. It remembers through context, memory system and information retrieval mechanism. Better the memory architecture, the smarter and more personalized the AI experience becomes. Have you ever told AI something important and a few minutes later it acts like it never heard it? You might think, wait, didn't I already tell you that? So is AI forgetful? Not exactly. In most cases, AI isn't forgetting, it simply can't see that information anymore. Let's find out why. Why does AI forget things during a conversation? There are 4 major reasons, and understanding them will help you build a better AI application. First, of course, most common reason is a context window overflow. As conversations grow larger, older message may get removed from the context window. This is the number one reason people think AI is forgetting. Every AI model has a context limit. Think of it like a notebook with a fixed number of pages. Once it's full, something has to be removed to make room for new information. Second reason is no persistent storage. Most basic AI models don't store anything between the sessions. When a new session starts, it often a completely fresh conversation. long-term memory requires external storage. It is not built into most language models by default. The next one is low priority information. Not all information is treated equally. AI gives higher importance to recent messages, active instructions, and the current task. So, when the conversation becomes crowded, small details may quietly disappear from focus. Ever mentioned a minor preference early in the chat and notice AI stopped using it later? That's exactly what's happening. Low priority information. And finally, the fourth one, summarization compression. To save space, some AI systems compress older conversation into a shorter summaries. While this helps resolve important information, some fine details can be lost. Just like compressing an image may reduce quality, compressing conversation can reduce information. So here is a key takeaway. AI usually doesn't forget because it's careless. It forgets because of context limit, information prioritization, lack of persistent storage, or conversation compression. Understanding these limitations is the first step towards building smarter AI system. Let's see how context prioritization works. When AI receives a prompt, not all information is treated equally. The AI first focuses on the most important information. At the top of the priority list are system instructions, safety rules, current tasks. These are processed first and are almost always retained. Think of them as a VIP guest inside the AI memory space. Next comes the medium priority information. This includes recent message, active conversation. The AI tries to keep this in the context because they are directly related to the current discussion. But there is a catch. As conversation become longer, this information may start shrinking. And finally, we have the lowest priority information. Things like older conversation history, irrelevant details. These are usually the first piece of information removed when the context windows start filling up. This is why AI may forget something you mentioned 50 messages ago. Here is the golden rule. The AI does not forget randomly. It prioritizes the information. When space becomes limited, lower priority content gets dropped first. That process is called context prioritization. Let's put everything together. Let's see what happened behind the scene. As a user, you provide a prompt. The system gathers context from multiple sources such as system instruction, full chat history, persistent memory, external data source. Everything is combined, but there is a token limit. Not everything can fit. So AI rank information by importance. Higher priority information stays, lower priority information may be removed. Then the model generates its final response. So the next time AI appears to forget something, remember AI doesn't forget like humans do. It simply works within a limited context window and keeps the most important information first. And that is exactly why context engineering is becoming more important than prompt engineering. That's the wrap up for today. When AI gives a great answer, is it not just because of prompt? It's also because of the context. It has the right context at the right time. And that's the core idea behind context engineering. Today we explore context engineering, how AI memory works, why AI forgets, and how context prioritization affects every response. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and share your biggest AI learning in the comment. See you in the next video. Thank you.